అంటే ఈడే.
Exploring the art of storytelling is fundamental. For a cinematographer, his primary tools to tell story and director's visions are subject, composition, contrast, and most importantly, light. In our previous video, we have explored some major components of visual storytelling. We have explored how composition and color are used to enhance storytelling. And in this video, we are going to explore the most critical aspect of cinematography that creates drama, depth, and atmosphere to the story. It is the lighting. Lighting is key to film because it creates a visual mood, atmosphere that the story is being set, and a sense of meaning for the audience. Whether it's the look of the film or blocking actors, every step of the cinema depends on the lighting setup because you cannot get an excellent visual without proper lighting. So in this video, we are going to tell you about why lighting is a critical aspect in storytelling, how to create effective lighting setup, and how good lighting can evoke several emotions and say to the story. Light itself expresses symbolism as life, freedom, clarity, hope, enlightenment, truth, and guidance. The audience who doesn't have any knowledge of lighting, how do you think they see the lighting? Bright and dark lighting maybe. Yes, let us now get into the terminology. Bright yet balanced lighting with no harsh shadows is known as soft light, and lighting aesthetic with harsh shadows that draw attention is known as hard light. One of the easiest ways to tell a story through lighting is by matching the quality of light used to the emotional impact of that scene. Now, since soft light is just how it sounds, it is best to use this kind of lighting for locations where characters are joyful or emotionally felt. Now, likewise, since hard lighting emphasizes rough textures and creates hard shadows, this quality of lighting is best used to communicate difficult or dark times.
Nah, man. I'm pretty fucking far from okay.
The primary lighting setup, which is very fundamental, is known as the 3-point lighting system: key light, fill light, and backlight. These are the most fundamental lighting techniques for it. Key lighting is the leading and most substantial light source in a scene or on the actor. Key light can be natural light or artificial studio light, whereas fill light adds dimension and softens harsh shadows created by the key light. And backlighting is placed behind the actor to help define their features and distinguish them from the background. This lighting setup is essential to create soft and hard light. Utilize your key light to make the most brilliant aspect of your frame. Presently, stage 1 for letting the artistic look is to utilize a delicate key light that segregates the most significant element of yours. The eye is drawn to the brightest part of any frame, so if something is important, make sure your lighting communicates that. Now, this can be anything from a specific actor or prop or part of a scene. motion and texture of the light. The surface is divided to achieve a cinematic look. Now, on the lighting side, this could be as simple as using practical lights that are already in the set, create a texture. Move lights for chaos, add both texture and essence of storytelling to the scene.
Ce qu'on va faire tout à l'heure?
Ouais. Ah non, non, non.
Non. C'est classe, hein?
Ah ouais?
Ah ouais.
Lighting through color. A lighting style is described as a chosen tonal range, but it also includes a color style as well. Color style is often discussed in terms of palette consisting of hues and tones. For a daytime scene, the key light is warmed, simulating the sun, while the fill light is cold, mimicking the natural fill of blue sky. A nighttime scene might reverse this sense with an intense blue key light acting as the moonlight with a soft, warm fill emanating from incandescent indoor lighting. Revealing a character personality or his situation. The quality, color, and direction of light can indicate to the audience impressions about the personality or character of the subject. It can also say something about the dramatic situation or emotional state of mind in which the issue currently finds himself. When a character is narrating a scene, he can describe his thoughts and how he sees the world. Is this the villain of the film? Put just enough light to see the evil in their eyes. Is this the love interest of your film? Try giving them a soft glowing light or even an edge light that makes them glow. A visual representation of his thoughts is not necessary. Most of the time, however, we require the use of our imagination to decipher the motivations and feelings of the characters by observing their actions, watching them emote, listening to them interact with other characters, and surveying their surroundings.
Black roof country, no gold pavement,
Direction and placement. Light placement and direction impart emotional significance as well. Hard underlighting is commonly used to signify an evil or criminal character or situation. Soft underlighting can look very sensual. Lighting from directly overhead can look dreary when the subject is looking down, but spiritual, uplifting, and hopeful as the issue looks up towards the light. Completely illogical lighting is often used in dream sequences or hallucinations. The more irrational, the better. Whether we realize it or not, we attach symbolic meanings and react emotionally to virtually everything. Some reactions are innate, others are dependent on culture, and still others are uniquely personal. Learning to light is learning to see, but requires more than keen observation. The most difficult and most important aspect of learning is visualization, the ability to see the final result in your mind before you even begin. It is also essential to be comfortable with what your tools can do. The final consideration is the one which cannot be taught as inspiration. This you must find within yourself to nurture with experience and experimentation.